Hi, good evening. This is Jake, your pit master here at TP Bistro Cafe. Dahil marami nag-a-ask about our menus, kaya we decided na mag-vlog ng dahan-dahan about our menus. Tonight, we're gonna make two appetizers from our menu, which is the beef carnitas, chicken quesadilla, and our New England clam chowder. Um, Ngayon, ang beef carnitas natin, it's a smoked 13 hours smoked beef. Meron to siyang bell pepper, onion, tapos actually it's a tortilla bed of lettuce, and we have the smoked beef for which is smoked for 13 hours, and meron siyang kasamang dip na Alabama sauce. Um, ito yung mga binabalik-balikan din dito, which is the beef carnitas. Yung smoked beef natin. Yeah. It's around 3 pieces of small tortilla, flour tortilla. Tapos, bed of lettuce. Then you have the smoked beef. Top with the smoked beef. Ito rin ang isa sa bestseller namin sa appetizers. Pero ito lang siya available kapag meron tayong available na beef. Pero ito rin siya, you can ask the kung available siya, kasi ito lang siya, meron lang kapag meron tayong beef sa menu. Pag wala rin to sa menu natin. Kasi the same beef lang to yung ginagamit natin sa main course natin. Tapos ito, meron siyang Alabama. Then, parsley. Then, there we go. You have your beef carnitas. Next, we'll be having our New England clam chowder. Next po natin is a New England clam chowder. Isa rin to sa bestseller na soup natin. Actually, there are 3 famous clam chowder. We have the Manhattan, which is yun yung may tomato sauce. Then, yung San Francisco din, isa din yun sa malakas. Then, here, yung recipe natin, ito yung ginagamit sa New England, which is it's more thicker. Mas thick to siya ng konti. Ang serving natin goes with bread. Then, parsley. Then, kamila, nilalagyan namin ng konting olive oil. Then, there we go. You have your New England clam chowder. Then, chicken quesadilla. This one is it's a flour tortilla stuffed with it's a 16-hour smoked pork shoulder, then mozzarella. Ito lang, ang kakaiba nito sa iba is we use smoked pork. It's around 4 slices. Then you have your tomato salsa, and our famous Alabama again. Then here we go. We have our 3. We are having 2 appetizers and 1 soup for tonight. Tomorrow, probably we're gonna do some main course tomorrow. And don't forget, baka ngayong Saturday, gagawin na natin yung Pitmaster dinner natin, the 7-course meal. It's open for reservations na. You can call the hotline or contact us directly. And see you again tomorrow for the plating again of our menus. salsa. Sarap. Then, you have your carnitas. Ito, itutupin nyo lang parang cold ng konti para hindi matapon sa damit nyo yung mga sauce niya. Parang ganyan. Tutulong lang siya natin. Ito medyo maano kainin. Ito yung kasama. Gaganyan nyo lang yan siya. Tapos diretso. Cold nyo lang ng konti para hindi matapon sa damit nyo. Then yung clam chowder natin. Isa dito sa favorite. Still one of my favorite. Again, thank you. See you at TP Bistro Cafe. Good night.